I'll move that up. 20. Oh, 25, that's the low. So it's moved back up. Oh, I could have made so much more if I'd been paying attention. I thought, you know, I've got the stop in place. I'll be able to relax and get the stream sorted out. Still might be able to relax and get the stream sorted out, but let's see. There we go. Right, now move back up again. Off you go. Let's have another move. 75 this time. Let's break $5. Come on. This is so much there. I'm kind of kicking myself. Oh, well, still 1,000 unrealized at the moment. About 500. I've got 12 cents so far. The stop's at 25, so I've got at least 12 cents. In for 5,000. Some profit, but not up there at 65. Look at that. That's a good 30 cents. Would have been 1,500 up. I'll give it time. Give it time. I'll move this stop up to 30. I just don't want to get stopped. Actually, what I'll do is I'll move it up to 25. Just lock in some profits instead. That brings my average cost up. That's better. Ooh. Okay. Well, so much for TikTok rolling running out my live. Oh, don't stop me out. No, come on, roll. Oh well, 6 grand is good. 7 grand a day. We're in Aero. This is Aero Clean Technology. It's had some FDA approval, so That's why this is moving up. It's a top mover today. We're in this. We did buy in at 410, but we've added taking profits on the way. So our average cost now is 421. I've got a stop at 425. It's currently 430. It did go up to 465 while I was setting the stream up, but there you go. We've got so much more out of that. But let's see. This is pulling back. Let's see if it starts to make a move up now. Or not. Or do we get stopped out? Very close to being stopped out then. But let's see. Will we get some support at the $0.25? Get any support at the $0.25? See what happens. This moves up. Back up. There we go. Now we can see what happens when we start making a move back up. Not on the 2 minute, we've not quite got that next candle to make a new high. So, it's been an absolutely stonk-tastic day today. This is the guy right here. AERC Technologies. We're in for 5,000 at the minute. Alright, we got stopped out. Never mind. 6,000, 7,000 on the day, 6,000 on AERC. We'll keep going. We'll keep going. It's been another good day so far. We're absolutely smashing it. I know I keep saying to everybody, hit your daily goal, which mine is 5k, so hit your daily goal, walk away, but, you know, make hay while the sun shines. If I give back more than $1,000 now, so my max drawdown from this point now is $1,000. If I give back $1,000, if I end up with 6,200, no more trades for the day. That's where I'm at the moment. Just kind of... I'm keeping my 5k at least. Keep my 6k unless I get a nasty flush. There we go. Yeah, it's been a good day. The only one I've not traded since this morning is again was DIDI. I've got some. Where is it? Oh, that's on its way down, but on its way back up again. Did get some good trades with YMM on the way up here. Just took me back green on the ticker. So nice. Nice. All nice. Red box, we've not really traded that since this morning. So this one's, it was up 83% on the day at its peak. Now its peak's even higher. So looking at 466. %. Well, it's 77%, so we just lost that pullback. We just lost 20%. 97%. It was up. Yep. Happy days. Let's see if we can get some more on this. Oh, 440 is what we're looking for. Is Tesla down on the market today? Oh yeah, he's not having a good day. In line with the wider market. Yeah, very similar to the wider market. But it's still up. Don't get me wrong, still up. As is the SPY. The SPY's 0.4, which is pretty much where we started the. Well, 4:15 is where we were at when we started this morning's stream. So, well, it's good to see that you're that you're green there, Les. You know, absolutely. Green day is a green day. Doesn't matter how big or small. Green is green. Profits are profits. Could be 10. It could be $10. It could be $10,000. It's the principle. The only difference between $10 and $10,000 is sizing. Green day is a green day. Why are you snoring again? Now let's look for some more action. See if we can't get it here. Yeah, take 5 there. I'll give this 10 cents to move back up. I get in. Oh, I'll give it till 11 cents. Give it till I like round numbers. My OCD will kick in if I give it to 16. I'll get it to just drop a little thing and push that up to 15. Stop at 15 or 15. Well, let's see what that gives me. Worst case scenario is it knocks 500 off. 550. Don't mind losing 500 from a 7,000 day. Got a couple of EMAs in the way, so I'm thinking that, and you don't stop me out. Come on, that's just embarrassing. Oh, it's still 66. Still think this is not done yet. Just broke highs. Let's see what else it gives us. So still 425. That's my break of the quarter dollar. That's what I'm looking for here. Let's see. Yeah, you can see the P&L on YouTube as well. Just check that, because last week we had an issue with the stream for some reason. Oh, I missed it. Oh, that's not such a bad fill. Only giving it 10 cents. Don't be cheeky. All the way down. You don't be giving me 2 fake outs in a row. Forgive you for the last one because on the 2 minute it's not quite, but on the 5 minute it's not quite, but this one broke out on the 5 minutes, so come on, you need to get me at least 440. No worries, Super Chip. He said it's bank holiday today. I just realised. Wondering why the kids were screaming all day. Yeah, I've got my mojo back, Super Chip. May's behind. May was a cursed month for me. That's what it is. Not quite had the 5-figure days that we've had before, but look, we're getting there. Good evening, Alphabet. Shut up. Got a stop in place, 8 cents below my entry. I'm looking for the $0.50 here. Move back up. We got rejected up at 470s. I wasn't paying attention. I was setting the stream up, so I entered. Then I was up there, took some profits, put my stop in place, and then moved all the way up when I was setting the stream up. And I could have added to the position, take some profits up the top, which I did there, and then got stopped out down here. I just got stopped out again. So like that's it now. I've just given back. A grand off the top. This has been bouncing on the 20 EMA all day. Really has. See what I'll do when it comes back down to the 20 EMA. I'm going to take a position and give it 5 cents. How are we all doing? Are we profitable today? Who else has been trading? Let me know if you've been trading something that I've not. Let me know. What have you been trading other than Tesla? Let's see if we can get 5 cents here. For 38. One of Motors. Is it still having a good day? Is it? I've got 38 yet. There's first. Dang. Is it doing that? Missed my goal. Hang on a minute. Might get a second round. Might get a second chance. Let's see. we go, did get a second chance, got it. Right, now, what to do with the remaining 5? Let's see, will it continue up? A break even. That's the break even. $6,500 is not bad for a day's work, is it? More than I would earn on a day with my last job, that's for sure. Expecting this maybe to drop below the 9, back down to the 20. Pick another position. Very extended above the VWAP though. That's the problem, right? What's this? The high of this 440. It's been good to me as this one. I don't think I've traded this one before. AERC clean. You sure I haven't? Yeah, I think this is the first time I've ever tried this one. Let's have a quick look on AERC. Yeah, no, never tried it before. That's okay. There's got to be a first for everything. Oof. Oof. That was a bit of a flush. Is that going to continue down or shall I buy the dip? Give it a try. Down to $4. I'm going to buy $4 there. Yeah. I've got 6 cents and I'll give it 6 cents. I'll give it till $4. Buy that dip and give it a very tight risk. I'm giving it $4 because that was a big flush. I just thought maybe I can get a bounce on that. Stop at $4, so it was worth a try. Sometimes you can get a nice little bounce when it comes down to a whole dollar support level, you know, and then now look for an entry. Want confirmation it's moving back up. Well, we could have got the 10 cents, really. Entered at 404, was it? 406. Yeah, we could have got 6 cents on that. It's a high of this one. 412. Don't mind that dip. Probably just timed it wrong. $4. I should have tried to get in at $4 because it looks like we've got the bounce on the $4 now. Well, the thinking's right. So 410. Look at another entry at 410. $0.10. Stop at $4. Don't really want to risk 1,000, but hey, look, 1,000 to make 3. Why not? I'll put the 10-cent trailing stop on this. See if we can't get back up to 420 before it stops me out. So as it stands right now, we should be okay to at least be taking 5k out of this bit of today. Ow. Yeah, I'm a bit of an idiot. Just realised this on the 2-minute. Very clear and obvious double top. And I was riding it back up. I took profits up there, so when it came back down, I didn't get caught in the flush, so that's something. I managed just the top up there. Nice roller to the upside. Quarter dollar would be nice. This is at least a break-even trade. Oh, it's a profitable trade. There we go. We've got a 10-cent stop on this. Wow, we've done nice. That's nice. We like that. We just made back what we lost. We're now up to 8,000. That was a good, a lovely little move. Well, back even better than where we were. We were 7,200. Now we're 79. Let's see. Let's go small. We don't want to be giving too much back, so wait for an entry. Absolutely, absolutely, Kieran. Take a small. There we go. Take a small 2,500 position. See if we can scale into this as it moves up, and. Give that 10 cents. So we're at 8 cents. Risking 8 cents. So what's that? 200 bucks. I can risk $200. Yeah, absolutely, it is, Jack. It is indeed. We do like those FBA catalysts. We got stopped out again. So maybe my stops are a little bit too tight, but I'm keeping them tight because I don't want to risk too much. That's when you get up on the day, you're in a good position. You don't want to risk giving it all back. That's the thing. Excuse me. Dinner's repeating on me. Get for eating chili. Oh, there you go. Lovely. It's absolutely. It's a lovely green day reach. I've had better. Yeah, I've had better, but still, can't complain. This is a really good day so far. All right. And we do like green days. Of course we do. Are we going to get some more out of it? That's the question. I'm thinking yes. I think we can go back up to 470s now. That would be really, really good. Lock a little bit more in. Oh, no, that didn't work. Oh. So we're over 8,000 realized now. $8,000 day. It's a good day. Day is a good day. Extremely high relative volume. The thing is with this, it's like 58 million shares traded today. Excuse me. So on any given day, it normally trades 153,000 shares, and it's traded 58 million. I wouldn't mind, but it's only a 5 million show. It's only a 5 million float stock, so it's like it's cycled its float 11 times over today. Eleven times over. Imagine that. Madness. Spreads are widening a little bit though. 5-6 cents. 4 cents right now. And the spreads are getting a bit wider now, so that's a warning sign. Another 400 bucks. So, really, considering it was so quiet this morning, this really took off. Really did. Back up to 470s. Got a stop in place yet, so I need to do that now. Risking 5 cents on this, $150. Yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, the FDA catalyst. I think that stopped me out. Okay, that's all right. Still $8,000 up on the day. 79.51 and 4 cents. So Aeroclean Technologies shares trading higher after the FDA granted clearance for the company's Pergol technology, classifying it as a Class 2 medical device. It's air purification and sanitation device. Interesting. You know what? I don't think I'm going to trade anymore. I'm going to lock that in now. It's cost me over 1,200 bucks in charges by the looks of it. 60, yeah. 66 net. $1,300, nearly $1,300 in charges. I'll double check that. That can't be right. I think I'd that much. A bird in the hand, 100%. Well, 7,000, 8,000 birds in the hand there, Jack. Just keep watching it. We've got what, 25 minutes to the close. Still watching it. looking at on the 2 minute rather than the 1. Or 52. So if it breaks 50, if it breaks the $0.50 again, I'll consider re-entering. If it's selling off now, it's done for me. So, and I'm not even gonna look at any other stocks. If there's a stock that you want to look at, tell me in the chat. Is there something that you would like to take a look at? Distract me from Aeroclean, because the likelihood is I'll try and get back in and give my gains away. So you tell me, is there a stock you want me to take a look at? Is there something that you've been trading today or that you want to know more about, or you want my opinion on? Just tell me in the chat. Talking of the chat, where's our Bitcoin? It's still up there at 31. Yeah, it's still above 31s. It's having a bit of a consolidation moment, but Bitcoin's up there at 31.2s. Tesla, yeah, no problem at all. I can do that. Thank you for distracting me. Let's zoom out so you can see what's going on. Okay, so this is Tesla on the 1 minute. Let's look at it on the 15 minute. So we had Friday's close down here at 702. We've tapped it a couple of times. It gapped up pre-market, as you all know, and then it sold off. It bounced and moved back up again. So it's 711, 712. So it's still up on the day. It's still a little over a percentage point up on the day. It's very similar to the wider market as a whole. If you look at the SPY, it's similar pattern. Slightly up, not quite as much up as Tesla is, but it's green, and greens are green. So Tesla currently 712, 711, 712. Probably will finish green on the day. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Mullen, been having a good day, has it? Yeah, 136. It's not bad. It's not a great day. It looks like it's been had this initial surge out of the gates up to 154, and then just kind of slowly faded. So I thought with listing on the Russell indexes, it might get a little bit of a pump. We get up above. Well, it did get above the $0.50, 150. I thought it might hold that though. It's typical. The NVX. Let's have a look where you're at. So over the last 15 minutes, well, that moved up, sold off, and now it's moving back up again. Well, it's actually very volatile. If you look at over the 2 minutes, look at that. It's kind of very choppy. Good luck to you on that one, Alpono. I mean, I wouldn't know where the entry was there. Wouldn't know how to trade this. Get on the 15. Get on a 1, 2. Yeah, it's just very choppy. A braver man than I am. Although saying that, there's a lovely inverse head and shoulders pattern there. Potential move up. Well, if that if you get a continuation of that head and shoulders pattern upwards, it looks like that's been lost though. So I wouldn't know where to get in with that. Very choppy. Although saying that, it's bouncing quite nicely around the 200 EMA. This is the 200 EMA here. And it's, as you can see, it's kind of bouncing quite nicely on that. So maybe that's where you would enter on the 200 EMA. Give it 10, 15 cents or something whenever you enter, and then look for a move back up. I don't know. You tell me, Alpuno. You're the one in it. I wouldn't risk it. Red box. YMM. Oh, that's selling off now. That's done for the second time. I got the little bounce. That was good enough for me. YMTX. Put it on the 15. Yeah, I think that's done as well. DIDI's definitely done. I don't think this is done, do you know? I think there's still some left in this. Possibly. Bit on a couple of different time frames. Let's see if I can see any obvious patterns. I'm not looking for any obscure ones, I want obvious. No real obvious patterns that I can see, so I'm just going to switch that off, because if I keep looking at it, I'm going to get back in, and I've done with that for today. I've not got enough room. 20 minutes left. I don't think I've got enough room to pineapple. Where did we get on with pineapple? That went up to $4. Hit it 322. So is it going to break the 330? If it breaks 330, it could be interesting. It's go over the VWAP. Don't think it's not got the volume though. The volume's here. Moving back up again. Break at 450. I did say it breaks 450. I'll have another look, another cheeky look. I'll go smaller sides though. Don't want to risk giving back too much. Break the $50. I'll go for 2,500 shares just to be in it. In fact, no, I'll just go for 1,000 shares. Why not? Just gonna go 1,000 shares and see where it takes me. Not risking too much that way. Not gonna make too much, but that's besides the point. We're going at 52. Put in a 20-cent stop. What happened there? A bit strange. Oh. Risking 200 bucks. $33. Take the money and run, absolutely, Les. But I just want to see if I can squeeze a little bit more out of it. I don't mind giving back 200 bucks off 8 grand. It's what? Less than 3%. Just want to see where this is going to take us. See if we're going to test those highs before the market closes. I'll move that stop up to 44, to 440. Got to break down quite a bit to get to 440. Let's see where this takes us. Yeah, yes, absolutely, Les. I'm just playing the game now, playing the game. A little bit fatigued, if I'm being completely honest. It's been a long old day today. I've spent a lot longer in front of the screen than I normally would do, but it's been worth it because you know, 8 grand. Worst case scenario, 7.5 grand. It's a good day, good green day. Yeah, yeah. You've had your walk. Give it a little bit of room. That's why I've only taken 1,000 shares. Like I say, it's not. It's $4,000 worth of equity, and see if I just want to see if we can get up back up towards the highs. 470, 475. 25 cents. I'm risking 10 for 25 cents. Good on you, Les. I'm obviously teaching you well. The drink of champions. Been a good old day today. Another day like this, another week like last week. The kind of gradual increase of the gains across the week, that will be nice. Did we get on last week? We just have a quick look at my TraderView journal from last week. Yeah, we did well last week actually. 6k on one day, over 3k on Wednesday. Oh, sorry, 6k on Tuesday because there was no Monday. Just over 3k on Wednesday, 4k on Thursday. I've not imported my trades from Friday. Do that now. Shame on me. I'm slacking. And 5k on Friday. I stopped out. Too worried about that. So where do we finish? 7,700. That's a good day by anyone's stretch of the imagination. Sure. If you're making 7 grand a day, that's a 7-figure annual salary. There's 7-figure annual earnings. So even if you take the taxman's cut into consideration with that, it did start off slow. It start off slow today. It was a kind of because I didn't lose much. It was just getting faked out and stopped out, and I didn't really lose much. I kept the wrist tight, but it was kind of very sideways. We didn't see anything going until this really started. So yeah, jumping on this was a good idea. 98% up on the day. Patience is a virtue, as they say, Owen, and never more so in day trading. Wait for the setup to come to you. Jumping in and rushing a trade, trying to get the market to do your bidding. That's a tactic for misery and poverty. But patience, you only need one trade. One trade a day is enough. You know, One trade, if you can wait for that one setup and you trade that one stock that's moving, that's all you need. I mean, just forget all of the other trades I've taken today. So forget DIDI, Redbox, YMM, and YMTX. Just forget those. 6,500 on AERC Tech today. It's one stock, 6,500. That's trading one stock. If you can do that every day, you can get your $5 grand a day. $5 grand a day is 1.2 million. It's across the course of a year, based on a 20 trading day average month. No, that's oversimplifying it. Obviously, if you do $5 grand a day, that's $5 grand green every single day with no red days. You need to average $5 grand a day. Keep your red days small and get over $5 grand a day. So I'm 7.5 today. So let's just have a quick look back at just from a net perspective. Before today, I just pop the numbers in here. What's this at the minute? 63. I'm averaging this month in June. Look at that. I'm averaging $4 grand in June. That's twice as much as I made in the whole of May. I'm averaging $4 grand net in June, which is twice as much as I made gross in the whole of May. So, I mean, that speaks volumes about the performance in May, if you ask me. It really does. Hey, look, I'm human like the rest of you, so I'm entitled to a bad month once in a while. Just don't want too many of them. Don't want any more months like May. A horrible month. Yeah, we've got 8 minutes to the bell. I'm taking no more trades. I'm going to lock my montage. There you go. Montage locked. Got no trades done. No more trades to do. Can't take any more trades. Montage is locked. Sorry, baby. Did I kick you? I didn't realise you were so close. Okay. Here, do you want a treat? I don't have to wait for them to give me 1,000 likes. I've already got 1,000 likes, and I'm in a good mood after today's performance. You can have that. Go on, enjoy. Well, if I'd been patient, would have got those that 570 I was asking for. Let's go figure. I'm not saying, guys. I'm not saying I'm the best day trader there is. Do you know? I'm not saying that. Top three. I think I'll have something stronger than a glass of wine in a minute. I'll probably have some more of that lovely Horton's gin that I was drinking last week. Yeah, I'm the trader that you want to be learning from. Thanks, Owen. Yeah, you should all get signed up to that that trading course and join the Discord. Let's get the chat going all day long in the Discord. That way we don't have to wait for the stream. AMC, how did you do today? Oh, you stayed red. Dropped below 12. GME's dropped below 130. I think we're finishing green across the markets though. Hello. Yeah, we're going to finish green across the markets. It looks like we've got 5 minutes for that to change, but it looks like we're going to have a green day. It doesn't matter how small, like I say, green is green. Even the VIX is green. It's not often you get the VIX and all the markets green at the same time. How did Veru get on? That's some news. It sold off and didn't come back. So look at it on the 15. Oh, get rid of all these lines. So it sold off and then traded sideways. Pretty much once it hit the 200 EMA, just traded sideways. Hey Alistair, that's not bad. A scratch day is better than a red day. Break even is better than red. Yeah, cheers Kareem. How did you get on? I know you were... did you walk away when you said that you'd had enough, or did you go back to the desk? To be fair, if you're not feeling it, even if you've not taken a trade, if you're just not feeling up to it, just don't do it. Don't trade. If you take a few trades and it's not going your way and you're getting frustrated, just walk away. There will be another day. Tomorrow's another trading day. There'll be another trade when you come back to your desk. So it's like operating heavy machinery. You don't do it if you're not feeling up to it. Nice one. And think about it, guys. A couple of $100 a day is all you really need. If you've got it, if this is not your primary source of income, this is just a secondary source of income. A couple of $100 a day, $200 a day green on average. Obviously, some days you'll get a bit more. Some days you might have a red day every now and again. But if you can average $200 a day, that's going to average you $4,000 a month, additional on top of whatever it is that you earn in your primary 9 to 5 or in your primary source of income. So just think about that. That's just $200 a day. You did say that you were looking for that one, Karim. Yeah. Well, we went and broke those highs. I would kick myself if I wasn't up so much. Let's go back to see. I did say it wasn't done when I got stopped out here. I said it's not done. It's, you know, I just want to see it go back up and break those highs, and it did. So I'm glad I locked my montage, because in hindsight I probably would have got in here anyway. 440, break 440, rode it up for another 40 cents. Yeah, absolutely, it's killing it. It's been you know, we'll see what happens tomorrow, because we're about to we've got 90 seconds left of the market, of the open market. See what happens tomorrow. We may get a continuation tomorrow. It may sell off overnight. We don't know. Cheers, Trump. Really appreciate that. Always good to be green. Consistently green, consistently profitable. Like I said, May was emotionally and psychologically, it was difficult, because I don't know what was, I just wasn't enjoying the trades because I was losing money, and I was losing money because I wasn't enjoying the trading. So you get into that spiral. So I've come back last week, over the last 2 weeks. So a full green week last week. I 4 green days the week before. We've started this week off green. I'm not, you know, touch wood, I'm not getting cocky just yet. but I think I might have found my mojo again. I think you know, Austin Powers and all that kind of stuff. I lost me mojo. I think I found mine. Well, as long as if you take a few bad trades, that's okay. As long as you recognise that you've taken bad trades and the reason for it. Absolutely, Kareem, and that's what I'm saying here too on the TikTok stream as well. Is that if you have a red day, the idea is that it doesn't become a big red day. So absolutely, Rich. Back to scoring again. Well, there you go. The market's closed. And what a lovely market day it was today. Apples and pears, Gavner. No thanks. I'll take some AERC technology. But yeah, Kareem, I think that's one of the biggest things that I struggled with to start off with, Kareem, is that losing is part of the game. And to get my head around that cost me a lot of money to start off with, because I was adamant. You know, you take a trade, you want every trade to be a winner. And once you get past that and you realize that, you know what, if you take 10 trades, that's a bit excessive. If you take 5 trades and 2 of them are losers, you can still be a profitable trader. If you take, you know, 4 trades and 2 of them are losers, you can still be a profitable trader. You know, the settlement date, are you on a T+2 there, Kareem? Is it you got 2 days for settlement? I'm using capital markets, it's instant settlement because it's a margin, but I'm trading in a margin account. When I'm with him in my interactive brokers cash account and in my SIP account. So SIP is my SIP account is my retirement account. It's like an IRA, if you will, in the US. But if you're trading on margin, it's instant settlement because it's their money you're trading on. So the money I've got today will be in my account to trade on. I'll have leverage on it tomorrow. It's not a problem. So I'll be over 40 grand in equity tomorrow. Nice. Oh, it's been a great day, TM82. Really enjoyed the training today. It's been great. And I hope you guys have too. Look, again, this is something I said a little while ago in one of my videos, is that sometimes you've got to enjoy the process as well. It's more than just making money. You've got to look beyond the making money, because if all you're in it for is making money, you can just pay someone else to do the trading for you and give your money to somebody else, and they'll trade it for you. There are people that do that. But don't do it to somebody with a WhatsApp number, because that's just ridiculous. They're all scammers. I've yet to come across one of those WhatsApp groups or WhatsApp numbers that isn't a scam yet. I don't know how anybody that's actually a professional that uses a WhatsApp number. Come join me on my WhatsApp. Yeah, shut up. Yeah, the weather was good too. I went out for the walk. It was lovely and sunshiny. She went splashing in the pond, chasing the swan. I'm like, come on, you know how aggressive swans can be? And I'm kind of thinking, if she gets close to that, because the swans in the local pond, one of them's nesting. They're both nesting, but one of them's sitting on the eggs. They've got a few eggs that they're incubating. And so the male swan's very territorial and very protective. And I'm thinking, if she gets too close, you know how aggressive they are, she could be into a lot of trouble. But no, she went paddling. She's not quite swimming, but paddling close to the swan until he came after her, and she ran away. So there you go. The Discord is for day trade with Tony students only. There, Reach. Sorry, I might open it up for or part open it up for others. I'll put the I'll put that out to the people in the Discord to see if they think it's worthwhile doing that. The busier it is, the better it is. But what we don't want just any old riffraff in there. That's the thing. We're building up a really nice, helpful community, and it is very communal feel to it. So anyway, I'm waffling because I've had a good day, so I'm going to end the stream, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Join me tomorrow. You don't have to, of course, but it will be nice if you join me for pre-market tomorrow. It'll be 1 o'clock in Dublin here where I am. That's the same at where you are in London, if that's where you are, or if you're over on the east coast of the US, it'll be 8 a.m. or do your own maths accordingly. I'll see you then for pre-market.